Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the delectable cotton soft textured and very easy eggless vanilla cupcakes. This is a 100% no fail recipe and I'm sure you will get compliments from your loved ones when you gift these cupcakes this festive season. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it right away and enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Now come, let's start baking. Take a mixing bowl and add half a cup of Greek yogurt. You can use the regular yogurt also. To this add quarter teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. We do this because the alkaline baking soda needs an acid to react and yogurt contains lactic acid which reacts with the baking soda to produce these carbon dioxide gas bubbles which helps in aerating the batter and it rises the cupcakes. Now take another mixing bowl and add quarter cup plus 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. Castor sugar is nothing but superfine sugar. You can use the normal granulated sugar if you don't have castor sugar at home. To this add quarter cup of sunflower oil followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk well for 2 to 3 minutes so that the sugar gets mixed with oil. It's better to use oil instead of butter in eggless cakes because oil is 100% fat which is the perfect replacement for egg yolks, whereas butter doesn't contain 100% fat. It has water and milk solids also. So adding oil in eggless cakes gives a very smooth and melting texture. Now incorporate the baking soda mixed yogurt into this and mix well. Now the sugar will get dissolved well. Even if it doesn't get completely dissolved, it's okay. As we add the dry ingredients and whisk well, all the ingredients will get dissolved well. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Sift 3/4 cup of maida followed by half a teaspoon of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Sifting incorporates air and gives a spongy cake. Now use a spatula to mix the dry and the wet ingredients using the cut and fold method. Never use an electric hand blender and mix on high speed, and also don't over mix the batter, and that's very important. Mix for just 5 to 6 minutes and see that you get a batter consistency that doesn't stick to the spatula. Now you can see the batter doesn't fall off easily from the spatula. So add 1 tablespoon of room temperature milk and check for the consistency. Still it doesn't fall freely, so add 1 more tablespoon of milk and check again. Over mixing at a high speed will create heat in the batter and eventually the batter will lose the air before even it reaches the oven. Now the batter has reached the perfect consistency. It easily falls off from the spatula. Now before we pour the batter into the cupcake liners, we can preheat the oven. Microwave convection ovens come with automatic preheating feature and takes only 2 to 3 minutes for preheating, whereas in OTGs we have to set the preheating time manually. For preheating, press the convection mode button. Once you press, it will display the set temperature 180 degrees centigrade, but we are going to bake these cupcakes at 160 degrees centigrade and hence we should reduce the temperature to 160 degrees centigrade by using this knob. In whatever temperature you are going to bake, the preheating temperature also should be the same. Now press start 2 times. When you press twice, it shows PRH and starts to preheat, and it will beep once when it gets preheated. Now I have arranged the paper liners on the cupcake tray. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop for filling up the batter into the liners. Like this. You can also use measuring spoons or cups for this so that you can get same sized cupcakes. Tap gently to remove the air bubbles. Now place the low rack into the preheated oven and place the cupcake tray over it. It shows the already set temperature 160 degrees centigrade. Now press the stop button and turn the knob to set the baking time. Set the baking time to 20 minutes and press the start button. Now the baking has started. Now it's done. The cupcakes have beautifully raised and look so fluffy and soft. Insert a toothpick to check for doneness. It has come out clean. Now let's unwrap the paper liner to check the finishing of the cupcake. You can see that the cake looks ultimate and so very spongy, and the color and the texture, everything is so perfect, which shows that this recipe is 100% perfect. And the taste and the flavor was divine. So please do try this recipe and write your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please share it with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.